आप देख रहे हैं LKS टीवी और मैं हूं सना खान। आज हम मौजूद हैं इंडिया के सबसे बड़े MMA इवेंट्स में से एक मैट्रिक्स फाइट नाइट 18 के भव्य प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में, जहां हर तरफ जोश, जुनून और फाइट का क्रेज साफ दिखाई दे रहा है। जैसे जैसे फाइट नाइट करीब आ रही है, वैसे वैसे फैंस का उत्साह भी बढ़ता जा रहा है। यहाँ पर देश विदेश के टॉप फाइटर्स अपनी मौजूदगी दर्ज कराने पहुंचे हैं और हर कोई पूरी तरह तैयार नजर आ रहा है। स्टेज पर एंट्री लेते हुए फाइटर्स का कॉन्फिडेंस और उनका एटीट्यूड यह साफ दिखा रहा है कि इस बार मुकाबले बेहद कड़े होने वाले हैं। इस खास मौके पर मैट्रिक्स फाइट नाइट की को-फाउंडर आयशा श्रॉफ भी यहां मौजूद रहीं। उन्होंने इंडियन एमएमए को एक नई दिशा देने में महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाई है। उनका कहना है कि मैट्रिक्स फाइट नाइट का मकसद भारतीय फाइटर्स को एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म देना है जहां से वे इंटरनेशनल लेवल पर अपनी पहचान बना सकें। प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के दौरान सबसे ज्यादा चर्चा में रहा फाइटर्स का फेस ऑफ। जब दो फाइटर्स आमने सामने आए तो माहौल पूरी तरह गर्मा गया। आंखों में जीत का जुनून और चेहरे पर आत्मविश्वास हर एक पल ने फैंस की एक्साइटमेंट को और बढ़ा दिया। यह सिर्फ एक फाइट नहीं, बल्कि प्राइड, पैशन और डेडिकेशन की लड़ाई है। हमने यहाँ कुछ फाइटर से बात भी की, जिन्होंने बताया कि उन्हें इस मुकाबले के लिए काफी मेहनत की है और वो किसी भी चुनौती के लिए पूरी तरह तैयार हैं। कुछ फाइटर्स ने अपनी रणनीति के बारे में भी खुलकर बात की और कहा कि इस बार वे पहले से ज्यादा स्ट्रांग और फोकस्ड हैं। वहीं फैंस का उत्साह भी देखने लायक था। हर कोई अपने पसंदीदा फाइटर को सपोर्ट करता नजर आया। कैमरे के सामने फैंस ने अपनी एक्साइटमेंट जाहिर की और कहा कि वे इस इवेंट का बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहे हैं। मैट्रिक्स फाइट नाइट जैसे प्लेटफॉर्म ने भारत में एमएमए को एक नई पहचान दी है। आज के युवा फाइटर्स के लिए यह एक बड़ा मौका बन चुका है, जहां से वे अपने करियर को नई ऊंचाइयों तक ले जा सकते हैं। यह इवेंट सिर्फ एक स्पोर्ट्स शो नहीं, बल्कि मेहनत, सपनों और जुनून की कहानी है। तो दोस्तों, अब इंतजार है उस दिन का जब मैट्रिक्स फाइट नाइट 18 में फाइटर्स रिंग में उतरेंगे और एक दूसरे को कड़ी टक्कर देंगे। एक्शन, थ्रिल और जबरदस्त मुकाबले के लिए तैयार हो जाइए। मैं सना खान, LKS टीवी, दिल्ली से।
As much as we can, शालिनी बड़ा स्वैग था अपना। पहले आपसे ही शुरुआत करते हैं। मैं बता रही थी कि कंटेंडर्स में ऐसे आए, पूरा स्वैग, पूरा एक जो जज्बा चाहिए होता है आपका था, और आज जब यहाँ पे आ गया, अपनी तलवार लेके आ गया, तो कैसा लग रहा है? दूसरा फाइटर तो आपके सामने कोई खड़ा हो जाए, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। तो एमएफएम के एक्सपीरियंस फर्स्ट डे कैसा लग रहा है?
काफी अच्छा लग रहा है और इतनी पब्लिक आई, कभी इतना माइक में बोला नहीं, बट काफी नर्वस फील हो रहा है। पर इस फाइट को लेकर मैं काफी एक्साइटेड हूँ और कंटेंडर में तो आप लोगों ने देख ही लिया था मुझको, बट एमएफएन में इससे भी तगड़ा करके दिखाऊंगी।
Congratulations, brother, for making it here. And a lot of the times, we see the fighters, they're locked in with their shades. But in the English, what is more comfortable for you, brother? English. You know, it's a big platform when you come over here. Everyone's out there watching. You've got Disney Hotstar that is going to be there. What is the big message that you send at home? You know, everyone says, yes, I want to beat that opponent. But you have lakhs of people, maybe thousands or maybe hundreds or even 10 at home. What's the big message that has gone home?
See, I'm the first fighter who's representing from the south part of the India. So it's just not another fight for me. I'm here to represent something greater than myself. So I will show everything inside there. So be ready.
normally is fashionably late. You were the last fighter to come in, brother. There was lots of preparation going on. Were you preparing for the press conference, or what was it like?
Actually, I was away. So I was searching for the way.
You were searching for the way. Yeah, but I'm glad that you made it here. This is the only sport actually where every fighter that is worth, whatever they've done in their gyms, whatever they've done earlier in the training, in India and Southeast Asia, this perhaps is the biggest platform that you can come on. Was it a very, difficult decision? Or was it easy? One phone call and you said yes? How did you come to be part of MFN 18?
It was just one football. So I've been in touch with MFN team, and I really like the way they organize, they giving a good platform. I guess it's the top most and a very great platform in entire Asia, Southeast Asia. So yeah, now I can do like MFN they are doing. So I always yes for MFN.
Yeah, I know. Has anybody ever said no, man? With a phone call? Very rarely, right? Any fighter on this call will always say yes. Brother, welcome. English, good for you. Yeah. Congratulations, first of all, for making it over here. The press conference is, I tell you what, until I walk over to somebody, everyone's very confident. The moment they have to say something out there when they see a public, it's slightly different. Tomorrow when you're inside and fighting, you're totally confident. What's the preparation been like? Has there been anything different that you've done?
The preparation is all about that I want to make a statement this time. Like all over India, like all over the world, like people think that Indians are mostly the grapplers, but I want to make a statement that Indian striking is as good as world level. So second of May, you're going to see that making me a statement.
Is there any fear at all? Sometimes yes, you got to make a statement also, but sometimes there's a little bit of fear, which is always good. Which is that nervousness, a little bit there at all or not at all?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm making my debut, so nervousness is going to be there. But yeah, like I just got to do what I did for the last 2 years, 2.5 years every day. So it's a habit, it's a routine.
Well done, buddy. And the debut is going to be very large because it's going to be watched by a huge audience. And remember, the best part is that the audience, I want to also tell you this. This is back in the middle of cricket. So a lot of that audience actually comes and watches us as well. So you actually have a much larger audience than normally is there also, because you have lakhs and crores of people that are watching on Jio Hotstar, and then they're going to watch this and say, wow, what is this? So good luck for your debut tomorrow.
Thank you. And namaste everyone. Right now, I have already done 9 fights. So of course, I'm trying to grow as much as I can. But this time, I want to enjoy the process. That's what I have been working from for past 2 years. Enjoy the process, grow as much you can, and represent India. Thank you.
Whoa! Woo! Perfect.
To be an MMA fighter is the toughest sport you could have possibly faced. And I have so much respect for these guys. So that's what my motivation is to keep going.
And in your perspective, after starting MFL in 2019, do you believe that the athletes have come more forward toward this sport after the start of MFL?
100%. Because I think in the early days, I don't think anyone realized that we were in it for the long haul, and we must have thought, it's just a time pass for the family. We'll do a couple of shows and then that's the end of it. But they've seen how consistent we've tried to be, and I think as we have grown as a promotion, we have seen the athletes and the fighters grow with us, and the level of fighters that we see now in MFL is really a very long way from the beginnings. So I think that answers the question.
And one last, cricket would have been easier for you to get inside the IPL and other franchises. Why MMA? It is often difficult.
I think it all comes down to passion, and I have a soft corner for the underdog. So, cricket is a sport, it's a wonderful sport, no doubt about it. but they have bags of money thrown at that sport, you know. So yeah, it would have been easier probably. We were even offered to buy one of the IPL teams when in the early days when it started, but somehow we never got to it. But when I discovered MMA, I was hooked for life, and this is a result of that madness, I guess.
Thank you, ma'am, and wish you all the best.
Thank you very much.
Okay.